guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. I have been obsessed with, is it Paris in Love? Paris in Love? I'm not quite sure. The reality series of Paris Hilton getting married, and she has like this side swept situation happening a lot. Here today with a very overdue Chanel unboxing. Super duper overdue. But I did go shopping at Chanel Westfield Bondi Junction, which is definitely my favorite Chanel to shop at. So we have two items to share with you today. I want to pretend like I have it together, but I don't. These are the new plastic camellias and they're just falling off left, right and center. We're gonna start with this guy and we'll do true unboxings. They have been sitting, my friends, absolutely sitting. So we have, this was gorgeous. So beautiful. We have no lighting in here, so hopefully you can see. Hold it up there, hopefully you can see. This is the smaller size brooch with the crystals and the chains in kind of the vintage gold, but with the silver crystals. It is such a nice CC size. I actually parted with my I forgot what season it was, but it had the crystals and the Chanel printed in between the crystals. Like it was really kind of loud and quite gaudy. So this size is beautiful. Okay, so I've just got it off the box, so let's just flight attendant. You can kind of see the ratio of the size. Yeah, I like this size. It's kind of like my pendant. It's like a nice, it's kind of a nice brooch size. The other one was quite large and chunky, and I never really liked the crystals on it. They were kind of like, they looked like plastic crystals, to be honest, like something you would get at an arts and crafts shop. So in this box, if you watch the vlog and you follow me on Insta, I tried this on and took pictures of it. Here we go. Here's its dust bag. Ta-da! It's coming up so red. It is coming up so red. This is the Coco Chanel in the mini size, and it, oh God, their colors. It officially is called the color brown. It's 21K. The 21K collection, but it's called brown. She kept saying brown, but do you know what? Honestly, this looks like a brick color to me. So when I tried on the brick color from Yves Saint Laurent in their bags, in their college bag and things like that, that looked more caramelly, more of a deep beige, whereas this looks honestly like a brick. It matches my nails, which is kind of like a terracotta. That's exactly what I would call it, a terracotta. So here it is up close. You have the beautiful CC lock. Chanel Coco handles come with feet, if you love that. And it comes with a little pocket on the back, perfect to slip cards in. Honestly, it really is. Turn lock, like so. And you now, I can't remember if my first Coco handle, I've had a Coco handle. My first Coco handle, the inside is like that. You have a slide slip compartment in the middle, and then you have a zipper compartment on the back, and then you have a middle compartment there as well. It really does hold a lot. This is microchipped, so you do not get you do not get an authenticity card. It is microchipped, which I think is brilliant, because honestly the authenticity cards, especially for counterfeit, it's just so it's so easy, right? You get the beautiful shiny gold hardware, and it's on the interwoven chain with the same leather. You get a leather break on the shoulder, and then the clasps are in the shiny as well. Look at that, with the CC logo. They're so pretty. It's actually really nice to see Chanel do shiny again, because I guess they've been doing that kind of vintage hardware for so long, and to see shiny is really pretty. The around the handle has the Coco 31 Rue Cambon, which is really pretty. So yes, as I said, detachable, so you can just carry it like so. So on me, tiny, but you know, hey, a lot of my bags are tiny. I carry so many of my small bags all the time. My classic mini flap, or mini flap, rectangular mini, which I got from Fashionphile, is a staple in my collection. To throw it on and go, when you've got kids, 2 small ones like me, it's so easy. This is throwing a lot more of a deep red. It is really terracotta. It's the color of my nails, I swear. It's the color of my lipstick, a little bit richer, but I don't know if that's coming off kind of true. This is my Chanel lip gloss in the 752, and it is, yeah, True Red it's called. Look at that, there you go. So that's red versus the terracotta. I just wanted to try and really get the color to come off, because it's not going to come off on camera with all the lights and everything like that, where I don't have a proper setup in here. But pretty, so pretty. I have had the cocoa handle before, have I? Yes, dang, I have had it before. Why did I let it go? I think I wanted to fund something else, I'm not quite sure. If I love a bag, I'll come back to it. It will never faze me, and that's something that I want to talk about. We've already done some videos. We see where we're going. Let's talk about everything. But that's the thing, being fickle or whatnot. I love this, then selling it. A lot of it is to fund something else. A lot of it is something annoys you. It's easier to part with it than to be annoyed by something that costs, you know, $6,000. So that's really just the way I'd explain it. I paid 6,440 Australian dollars. That was before price increase. It is not coming up on the website with its current price for just the all over. So this is the grain caviar. It's coming up in a patent special edition version, which is $10,000, but this would definitely be up around the high 7s now. You know, 30%, whatever it was, 20 something percent price increase. But yeah, what do you think? Very cute. I would definitely call this brick. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Chanel unboxing, this double Chanel unboxing for my brooch and my mini cocoa handle. So cute together, super delayed. I'm sorry for that. You're currently in between millions of houses. Don't know where we live, completely homeless. So I do hope you liked that video, guys. That was my double unboxing from Chanel. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, there is a button below. I would super appreciate that, guys. I hope everybody is staying safe and doing well. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.